Isn't this a beautiful place? Welcome back to my channel. So we are here in Nilgiris for 2 days and this place is Kotagiri. So usually when we come to Nilgiris, we either explore Ooty or Kunur, but this time we try a different place, that's Kotagiri. There are a lot of tea estates here, beautiful views, just waiting to explore this place. And we are going to a place, a resort called Green Nest Resort. So we're going to stay there today. And tomorrow we'll be going back to Ooty and check out one more property. So let's go. There is a bit of off-roading that has to be done to reach this place. It's not much. It's manageable. Again, plenty of tea estates. And then we reach our place. So this is Green Nest Resort. So we just reached the place and then completed the check-in. Now we're gonna look at the room. So this is a premium category room that they have allocated. So they've just given us a free upgrade. So we'll just check out. So our room is woodpecker and there are several other rooms also. Hornbill, flamingo, so it's all birds' names. So this is the spacious bedroom. There's also some place for seating, a TV. They've also kept some water, the kettle and also the tea coffee maker. And there are also cupboards for storage. This is the bathroom. And now we have a balcony with a beautiful view. Stunning view. So this is amidst a tea plantation, so you get to see the beautiful view of the tea estate. There are the mountains. So we just checked in. We're gonna explore the property a bit before it's gonna, become dark. So just opposite to where we stay, there is this kids play area. There's a small space, so enough for kids to just play and hang around. A cute place for the selfie. So they've written hill trekking there. So they do take you for some trekking activities. Hey rabbit. This is the car parking area. There's ample space for car parking. You can go further up. Look at this. Wow, these are so pretty. Goes with my top color. It smells good as well. There's plenty of birds here. You can hear them in the background. There are plenty of sparrows. It's so nice to listen to those birds. So while exploring the property, we found one more room which we want to try out. So we thought, let's just check it out, and if we like it, we could move in here. So this is the room. It's called Silver Oak. So on the right we have the space for keeping our luggage, and here's the bathroom. And then this is the bed. There's TV, there's all the coffee maker, the kettle, some space for sitting. And of course the balcony with the view. We freshened up a bit, and now we are planning to go for the bonfire. Planning to head for the dinner now. So they have this restaurant which is called the Berrypeckers. So let's go and explore what they have. So their breakfast is buffet, and lunch and dinner is a la carte. So first we ordered some soup. This is the chicken mancho soup. And starters, we have ordered some lemon garlic chicken, and some chapati and Szechuan fried rice, and some chicken gravy. So we're gonna try out the soup first. Next is the starter, the lemon garlic chicken. Next is this is the Szechuan chicken fried rice. There's chapati, which I ordered. This is chicken chettinad gravy. So we just finished our dinner. The food was really delicious. So the main reason that we chose this resort was that the Berrypeckers Restaurant, it has very good reviews. So when we saw on Google, there are many people recommending this place, especially for the food that they serve. So that's the reason that we chose this, and it lived up to our expectations. The food was really good. So it started raining. We have this umbrella, so we thought we'll take a stroll back to our room. Good morning. We are heading for our morning walk. So we woke up a little early, just got fresh, and now planning to go around the property. It's very cold and breezy. You know these flowers? These are the famous Ooty flowers. So it's gonna stay just like this for years together if you pluck and keep it. There are plenty here. We plucked some of these. Earlier these were available in plenty for sale in Ooty, but yesterday when we reached this place we didn't see anything at all. It's only vegetables that they're selling these days. And then we got to know from the people at the property that we can spot many animals here in the evening. Yesterday when we came we saw a rabbit, and now we saw some kind of a deer there. But we could not take a video, it just vanished. Other than that, there's also bison, bear and some other animals that they said they frequently spot in this area. This is the view just outside the property gate. Forever. Done with our morning walk, heading for our breakfast now. So they have buffet breakfast. Let's check out what do they have. Pleasant stay at Green Nest Resort. Now we are checking out and going back to Ooty to a different property. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and comment.